Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the fixture is dead with a non-contact tester. Once the power is off, set a sturdy ladder under the fixture and remove any decorative trim by hand or with a screwdriver. You should have your replacement lamp, trim, and basic tools ready so you won't pause midway. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. This prevents cuts and keeps oils off the new bulb, which can shorten its life. Once the trim is free, pinch the spring clips and lower the assembly slowly so you control any wiring tension. You'll see a socket or quick connect. Disconnect it by pressing the tab or loosening the set screw, and observe which wires meet which so you can reattach correctly. If the can or housing needs replacement, support it while loosening the junction screws. Install the new socket or adapter, seating it fully. Then insert the correct. You finish by securing the trim so it sits flush and the spring clips or screws hold firmly. Make sure no wire is pinched. Once that looks right, flip the breaker on and test the fixture. Watch for immediate lighting, flicker, unusual noise, or excess heat. If the light fails or flickers, switch the breaker off and recheck your wire connections and connector seating, confirm the bulb matches rating, and inspect the housing. If still faulty, replace the socket or consult a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.